Welcome to Literature 328, the Week 7 overview. We'll be meeting in class on the 16th of March, and you've just had break. Hopefully you've kept pace with the reading. We have a short story collection. Neuromancer's author, William Gibson. We're reading Burning Chrome and motifs. By now you should start to see some recurring elements. Again, that's something we'll focus on throughout. Elaborating on the subgenre of cyberpunk, how is it defined, how do these stories sort of flesh that out. Now that you're seeing some typical moves, that should be easier and easier to define. Same thing with setting, what rules happen to obtain in his world, how is he using world creation with a few scientific ideas or with drug use or some twist on existing institutions in society. Sprawl, urban sprawl we know about, but is it our likeliest environmental outcome? We're going to see this idea played out in other works of literature. By now you should start just keeping those motifs in mind, kind of keeping track. I usually write them in the inside jacket cover page numbers for colors or images or sort of obsessions that the writer has. We're going to be reading Johnny Mnemonic, which also has a film. The Gernsback Continuum, Fragments of a Hologram Rose, The Belonging Kind, and Hinterlands this week. And again, do your best to read each and to mark those up and be ready to talk in class about those. And we'll just do in-class discussion about that. Looking forward, we'll be reading the second half of the book next week and finishing that. But you will want to keep pace because the next novel is longer, The Handmaid's Tale. So don't get behind just because it's the middle of the semester and you're getting more tired. So try to pace yourself. And if you do read ahead, make sure you're marking up. Thanks.